Hello everyone and welcome to the presentation for the FIG Business Administration documents. I'll give you a couple of seconds to have a look at the various files that come with the FIG Business Administration documents. The steps to follow to start up a business is very popular with the FIG customers. It gives you 13 steps to follow to successfully start up a business. It also refers to products available within the FIG Full Financial Suite that you can use to start up, run and manage your business. The Startup Costs document, for example, gives you a list of startup costs to consider and calculates automatically the totals that you would require to start up a business. And then some administration tools for you to run your business successfully, which has automatic calculations for you that again you have minimum input like every FIG product for maximum output. Some rules and regulations that you need to follow in terms of complying with corporate governance and record-keeping standards, human resources tools, accounting tools, and some legal tools. Please remember to email info@fig.co.za for any updates that will apply in terms of regulation changes, or any information or assistance or support that you require for your business. Please take a look at our website www.fig.co.za for some of our customer testimonials in how the FIG products have changed their lives. I hope to speak to you again very soon.